Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66 Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 43 of our challenge and we'll be moving on to our third and final platform of the challenge, YouTube. In this challenge, you will learn how to create a YouTube account in 7 clicks plus a bonus tip at the end, so stick around for that. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing and with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right, first thing you need to know is that YouTube is actually powered by Google, so you will need to have a Gmail email account set up to get started. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so I am in a Gmail account. I've just logged in, and step 1 is to click the 9 little dots, the app grid in the top right corner of your window. So if you hover over it, it'll say Google Apps. One of my friends loves to say that this looks like the Brady Bunch dots, but that's where we're going to start. Just click that little button there. And depending on how often you use YouTube, it will show up in different spots here. So if you scroll through, eventually you will see a YouTube button. It could be higher up, could be lower down, just depends on how frequently you're using it. So you want to go ahead and find that YouTube icon and click that. So that is step 2, is to click your YouTube icon. Step 3 is to go to the top right, click your profile picture. Step 4 is we're going to find the button that says create a channel. So it should be just a little bit below your email information here. Step 5, you got it. Just hit get started. Step 6 is to choose your name. So you can see you can go right through using the information you've already set up your Gmail account with, or you can come over here to use a custom name. So if you hit use a custom name, you can type in whatever you would like your channel name to be. This is just a front desk email that I'm using. So we'll see if this is available. Go ahead and click that little understand button there and then hit create and it'll tell us if that's not available. Looks like we're good to go. And because I did this through a new email or a new channel name, it's wanting me to verify that. So if you chose the original name, which was just going with your Gmail account that you already set up, you might not have to verify it. So we'll go back and I'll show you that as well. I want to show you both options here so you know what to expect either way. So here we're back at the step, let's see, get started step here. So I'm going to choose this one to select front desk. So this account is already set up because I set it up with my email. And you can see now it's pulling in that information. It pulled in my profile picture. It matched from the top right here. And then you have these options to fill out more information. So you'll see you have the options to upload your profile picture, to add a new one if you don't already have one in there. You'll be able to tell about your channel here and add links to your site. Now I'm going to go over all of this in future challenges, so if you're not sure what to do for that right now, that is okay. You're just going to do step 7 right here and click set up later. So that is how you set up your account in the most simplest style. So that will be how to just get it up and running, and we'll go over in other challenges how to do all those other specifics, add and tweak and do all kinds of good stuff. So since you made it through the 7 steps, I'm going to show you a little bonus. If you already have a channel set up, I'm going to swing mine over here. So if you already have a channel set up and you want to launch a second one, to do that, you're going to click your profile picture just like we did before, but our options will be a little different because we already have a channel set up. So we actually want to click Manage Your Google Account. Oops, excuse me. We want to click Settings. And then we want Add or Manage Your Channel. I mixed up my manages. From here, you can hit Create a New Channel, and you're just going to follow those same prompts. So that is how you start a channel from scratch, and how you can add a channel if you already have one. I want to show you this YouTube channel called The Sewing Report. So this is Jen, and she has other channels that she's already set up. So if you do have multiple channels, you can see you can link them right to each other from your homepage on each of your individual channels. So that was my bonus tip of the day. And then I want you guys to go ahead and tell me in the comments what you're going to name your channel so I can go look you up. That's going to conclude our training for the day. So remember to join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. for our next challenge, and we'll be going over how to add your cover art and customize your profile picture there. So I'll see you then, 7:30 a.m. Central, right back on my channel.